In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a monthly budget tracker in Smartsheet, step by step, using a built-in template so you don't have to start from scratch. This is perfect if you want a simple way to track income, expenses, and monthly spending in one place, whether it's for personal use or small business budgeting. We'll go through everything from opening Smartsheet to creating your budget sheet in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Smartsheet. Then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Smartsheet home screen. This is where you can access all your sheets, dashboards, and templates. From here, we're going to create a brand new budget tracker using one of Smartsheet's ready-made templates. On the home screen, look for the option that says Start a new project, program, or process. Click on that option to open the Creation menu. This is where Smartsheet gives you different ways to build something new, including blank sheets, imports, and templates. Next, click on View All Templates. This will open the Smartsheet template gallery, where you can browse hundreds of pre-built templates for different use cases, like project management, finance, HR, and personal organization. Using templates is a huge time saver, especially if you're new to Smartsheet. Once the template gallery loads, go to the search bar at the top and type the word budget. As you type, Smartsheet will automatically filter the results and show you templates related to budgeting and financial tracking. From the search results, find and click on the template called Personal Budget Management. This template is designed specifically to help you track monthly income, expenses, and categories, making it ideal for a monthly budget tracker. After opening the Personal Budget Management template, you'll see a preview of what the sheet looks like and what kind of data it includes. When you're ready, click on Create from Template. Smartsheet will now generate a copy of this template directly into your workspace. Once the sheet is created, you can start customizing it to fit your needs. You can update the month, edit income sources, adjust expense categories, and enter your actual amounts. The template already includes helpful columns and structure, so all you need to do is plug in your numbers and keep them updated throughout the month. And that's it. You've successfully created a monthly budget tracker in Smartsheet using a built-in template. This setup makes it easy to monitor spending, stay on top of your finances, and make smarter budgeting decisions over time. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Smartsheet tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.